Hi, I'm here with Ross Lawley from MongoDB. Ross, thanks for joining me here. Now, we noticed that 10gen, it actually changed its name to MongoDB. Why did that happen, and are you more comfortable with the new name?
Yeah, I am. I'm not a marketeer, I'm a developer, so I don't know all the reasons for the change of the name, but I do know that when we were phoning people up saying, hi, we're from 10gen, they'd be like, who's that? And we'd have to say, we're the MongoDB company. So the change of name is really to bring the alignment of the brand itself and the product together.
Now, tell me, is the new company name related to the new investments?
I think it was in the offing anyway, so it was something that we were looking to do, and it just happened to come around at the same time.
Can you please talk us through like an average working day for you?
Well, I work with a distributed team. I have colleagues in Spain, I have colleagues in New York, and in the rest of America. In fact, the drivers team is pretty much global. So my average day will be coding. I'll be having meetings online with them, and occasionally I get to do support and go to the support office in Dublin and go sit with the support guys as well.
Congratulations, you just got your $150 million funding. Can you tell us something about that?
Well, again, I'm a developer, so I'm a lowly guy. All I know is that there's loads of interest in MongoDB, the adoption's going up, and it's kind of there to help us grow and become even more successful.
How do you think these new funds will influence the future of the company and the MongoDB product?
They'll help us solidify the product itself, add more features, ensure that the operations guys get a better deal, and just generally improve the product.
Will these exciting new events influence your job too?
Well, I suppose so at some level, but again, I'm doing the engineering. I might have more engineers to work with, more engineers to learn from, and that'll be a great thing.
MongoDB it's a really trendy new software, or a piece of software. I can see there's a lot of fans, but there's also a lot of haters. What do you do about that?
Well, it's interesting. We do have a lot of haters, but I don't know how the proportion is. They're just very, very vocal. And to be fair, you have to use the right tool for the right job. And if you get burnt, you're going to be angry about it. But again, it is a piece of technology. It was unknown, and people are learning to use it more for its strengths rather than for its weaknesses. So I'm hearing more and more lovers than haters at the moment.
How do you position the product in the NoSQL scene? And how would you compare the product to other popular databases out there?
So MongoDB is a document database. Document databases, I'd argue, are the most flexible NoSQL product because they allow you to model data easily and have very dynamic or very complex modeling of data. In the NoSQL scene, you have key value stores, which are kind of extremely good for caching data. You have graph databases, which are brilliant for dealing with relationships between data. And you also have column stores, which are great for multi-master, always right availability. So each one of them has their niche. It just happens that I think document databases, because they're so flexible, just has the larger niche.
Your talk was about moving from SQL to NoSQL. Can you give the traditional SQL users some advice?
Yeah. Have a look at it. If you're having problems migrating or dealing with schemas or trying even to model complex data, then go for it. Have a look at some other solutions. You don't just have to pick one database.
Tell me, what is the single most exciting thing you're working on right now?
So I'm working on a new Scala driver, which is exciting. It's a better, more reactive driver, so I'm looking forward to that. And also, the drivers are looking to improve our APIs. So next year, we're going to have an even more developer-friendly API. It's going to be great.
How do you like dumb data so far?
Oh, it's fantastic. It's great to see so many enthusiastic people loving data. This wouldn't have happened 5 years ago. Having like 200 people come along, it's awesome. So,
Ross, that was great. Thanks for talking to me, and I'll let you get back to dumb data.
Cheers.